Thank you guys for coming to NRGcreativ. We've got a sale kicking off May 1st to May 10th, 25% off the entire store. Whether you're needing items like showing on the screen right now, this happens to be a twist-in umbrella holder for use while you're stationary only. No tools are needed with any of the twist-on products. These products are also available, same things, in a bolt-in style. Like here you'll see a bolt-in style bilge outlet only. This is not designed to hold anything, just for an outlet for your bilge pump, and it has been tested with 750 gallons per hour bilge pumps. So we have a wide variety of mounts and accessories. You can bolt in, twist in, some of them just clip in. Here we have a flag mount. This thing is incredibly strong, just bolts in, takes no time at all, and this thing you can hold a flag while you are under power. It's been tested up to 68 miles per hour. Here we have the angled rear mount. This is the game changer mount. This particular one here is the dual. This is the 360 plus the flag holder. Although you can't use both of them at once, get some incredible shots, especially if you're towing a tube. These things are incredibly strong, guys. Guys, the coupon code for this sale is going to be listed in my Facebook SEADOO group. Check the link in the description and join that group today. Over here is the side game changer mount. This thing can accommodate all the way from a 1-inch selfie stick up to the 36mm selfie stick. Comes complete, ready to mount on, and it does have a reducer for those smaller poles. Clips in just that quick, and you're ready to go. It does require you to have the SEADOO link accessory on the side of your ski. That has to be purchased from SEADOO. And on the front, of course, we've got you covered there. You've got the front 360 mount. These new ones are the version 2, incredibly strong, helps with vibration. And we also have the front mount available in 2 versions for the GoPro. The GoPro will be standard, which is all 3D printed, and the hybrid, which will be introducing some aluminum parts in there to help with strength for some of you guys that are very extreme. And this one here will hold that custom selfie stick that we sell, or up to a 1-inch selfie stick. And of course the new phone mount, this one showing here, is the hybrid. Come on over today, guys. We also ship extremely fast.